which are about to be hoisted into the helicopter. Now, as the helicopter enters a hover, rescue checklist number 2 is being completed. Currently, the flight mechanic is putting on his safety harness, turning on and checking the hoist, as well as the hoist cable. He's opening the hatch and informing the pilot he's ready to begin hoisting. The pilot at the controls calls for team feedback in formulating the hoisting altitude, the rescue device to be used, and order of evolution. Then summarizes the final brief back to the crew for smooth execution. Now folks, don't be alarmed. That is our rescue dummy. Our pretend person in distress that our swimmer momentarily is going to come to the aid of. Now folks, the next evolution you'll see is a free fall deployment of the rescue swimmer. This type of evolution is usually used for instances where a person in the water is alone and in need of immediate assistance. Here the rescue swimmer will jump from the helicopter at an altitude of 10 to 15 feet above the water and then will swim to the survivor. Once the swimmer has prepared the survivor for pickup, he will give a signal for the aircraft to move in. Though the pilots are doing the actual flying during an evolution like this, the hoist operator is directing the pilot to maneuver the aircraft until the survivor is safely inside. And there you see the legs of our swimmer dangling out of the MH-65 Dolphin helicopter, and in just a moment you're going to see him jump into the water to tend to the needs of our victim that is being deployed into the water. As you can see, he's going to bring the helicopter a little bit lower to the water, about 10 to 15 feet, and there goes our swimmer.